Hi, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to work with bar charts with logarithmic scale. So we see here in the y-axis, we are having logarithmic scale. But how do we have that? Here is the categories, but here is the logarithmic scale. We are having a bar chart with logarithmic scale, and these are our categories and values. In order to have them, we are having the libraries being imported, of course. We are having the categories A to E, and we are having the data set here. And again, we are having the size of our figure. Then we are having categories in the bar function to plot our bar chart values. We are having the color sea green, which is a new color that we are seeing in each example. So in each example, we try to have a new color so you can also get used to and get familiar with different colors that you can use here. And then we are having the edge color, which is black. So the edge color, it's black. So in order to have the y-axis to be like a logarithmic scale, we simply use the y scale function, and we are going to write down this keyword, log. Okay, this is going to convert our y scale to a logarithmic scale. Then we are having the title of the chart. Then we are having the x label and y label. So the x-axis label, y axis label, and then we are having again here we are having the y label to be values here as we are showing it here. Okay, but we can also comment this part. So if I run the code, we can have the y label because we don't have to define it twice. We can have it once. When we are having it defined twice, the second one will be effective here. So now that I commented this part, we see that log scale values is the final label that we are having it here. And in this part, we see that the x-axis has the label categories, and this is the title of the figure bar chart with logarithmic scale. And these are the categories A to E with different values that are shown here in our bar chart. Thank you for watching.